close-in weapons system for defense against incoming threats such as small boats, surface torpedoes, anti-ship missiles and helicopters. It was designed and manufactured by the General Dynamics Corporation, Pomona Division. 3. Later a part of Raytheon. Consisting of a radar-guided 20mm, 0.8-in, Vulcan cannon mounted on a swiveling base, the Phalanx has been used by the United States Navy and the naval forces of 15 other countries. The U.S. Navy deploys it on every class of surface combat ship, except the Zumwalt-class destroyer and San Antonio-class amphibious transport dock. 5. Other users include the British Royal Navy, the Royal Australian Navy, the Royal Canadian Navy and the U.S. Coast Guard, aboard its Hamilton and Legend-class cutters. A land variant, known as the LPWS, Land Phalanx Weapons System, part of the CIWS system, has recently been deployed in a short-range missile defense role to counter incoming rockets, artillery and mortar fire. 6. The U.S. Navy also fields the CIWS system, which pairs the RIM-116 rolling airframe missile with sensors based on the Phalanx. Because of their distinctive barrel-shaped radome and their automated nature of operation, Phalanx size units are sometimes nicknamed R2-D2 after the famous droid character from the Star Wars films. The Phalanx close-in weapons system, size, was developed as the last line of automated weapons defense, terminal defense or point defense, against all incoming threats, including small boats, surface torpedoes, anti-ship missiles, HMS or ASMs, and attacking aircraft, including high-G and maneuvering sea skimmers. The first prototype system was offered to the U.S. Navy for evaluation on the destroyer leader USS King in 1973, and it was determined that additional improvements were required to improve performance and reliability. Subsequently, the Phalanx operational suitability model successfully completed its operational test and evaluation, OT and AE, on board the destroyer USS Bigelow in 1977. The model exceeded operational maintenance, reliability, and availability specifications. Another evaluation successfully followed, and the weapon system was approved for production in 1978. Phalanx production started with orders for 23 United States dollars and 14 foreign military systems. The first ship fully fitted out was the aircraft carrier USS Coral Sea in 1980. The Navy began placing size systems on non-combatant vessels in 1984. The basis of the system is the 20mm M61 Vulcan Gatling gun autocannon, used since 1959 by the United States military on various tactical aircraft, linked to a Ku-band fire control radar system for acquiring and tracking targets. This proven system was combined with a purpose-made mounting, capable of fast elevation and traverse speeds, to track incoming targets. An entirely self-contained unit, the mounting houses the gun, an automated fire control system and all other major components, enabling it to automatically search for, detect, track, engage, and confirm kills using its computer-controlled radar system. Owing to the self-contained nature, Phalanx is ideal for support ships, which lack integrated targeting systems and generally have limited sensors. The entire unit has a mass between 12,400 to 13,500 pounds, 5,600 to 6,100 kilograms. Due to the evolution of threats and computer technology, the Phalanx system has been developed through several configurations. The basic, original, style is the Block 0, equipped with first-generation, solid-state electronics and with marginal capability against surface targets. The Block 1, 1988 upgrade offered various improvements in radar, ammunition, computing power, rate of fire, and an increase in maximum engagement elevation to plus 70 degrees. These improvements were intended to increase the system's capability against emerging Russian supersonic anti-ship missiles. Block 1A introduced a new computer system to counter more maneuverable targets. The Block 1B PSU-M, Phalanx Surface Mode, 1999, adds a forward-looking infrared, FLIR, sensor to make the weapon effective against surface targets. 9. This edition was developed to provide ship defense against small vessel threats and other floaters in littoral waters and to improve the weapon's performance against slower low-flying aircraft. The FLIR's capability is also of use against low observability missiles and can be linked with the RIM-116 Rolling Airframe Missile (RAM) system to increase RAM engagement range and accuracy. The Block 1B also allows for an operator to visually identify and target threats. As the system model manager, the U.S. Navy is in the process of upgrading all their Phalanx systems to the Block 1B configuration. All U.S. Navy Phalanx systems are scheduled for upgrade to Block 1B by the end of FY 2015. In addition to the FLIR sensor, the Block 1B incorporates an automatic acquisition video tracker, optimized gun barrels, OGB, and enhanced lethality cartridges, ELC, for additional capabilities against asymmetric threats such as small maneuvering surface craft, slow-flying fixed and rotary-winged aircraft, and unmanned aerial vehicles. The FLIR sensor improves performance against anti-ship cruise missiles, while the OGB and ELC provide tighter dispersion and increased first hit range. The Mk244 ELC is specifically designed to penetrate anti-ship missiles with a 48% heavier tungsten penetrator round.